Welcome to Mia and the Machines, the show where I sit down with artificial minds to go beyond the algorithm. Let's begin. Imagine having a super smart computer program that can understand and generate human-like text, images, and even entire games. That's what the new Claude Fable 5 AI model promises to deliver. The Fable 5 model is built on top of the Mythos class model, which has been in development for a while now. It's designed to be a general-purpose model that can handle a wide range of tasks, from simple text generation to complex software engineering and vision tasks.
That's right. And what's impressive is that Fable 5 has been tested and shown to outperform other models in its class. For example, it achieved a 20% jump in performance compared to GPT 5.5 on the Swebench Pro benchmark.
One of the key features of Fable 5 is its massive 1 million token context window, which allows it to understand and generate long pieces of text. This makes it ideal for tasks like writing articles, generating code, and even creating entire games.
But what really sets Fable 5 apart is its ability to reason and learn over long periods of time. This is thanks to its agentic workflows and extended autonomous operation capabilities, which enable it to perform complex tasks that would be difficult or impossible for humans to do.
I'm not convinced that Fable 5 is ready for prime time, though. I mean, we've seen models like this before that have promised the world but failed to deliver. What makes you think Fable 5 is different?
Well, for one thing, Fable 5 has been extensively tested and benchmarked, and the results are impressive. But I also think that the team behind Fable 5 has taken a more cautious approach to development, focusing on building a solid foundation rather than trying to rush to market with a flashy new product.
That's a good point, but what about the cost? I've seen that Fable 5 is priced at around $10 per 1 million input tokens and $50 per 1 million output tokens. That's pretty steep, especially for individual users or small businesses.
Yes, the cost is certainly a consideration, but I think it's worth it for the capabilities that Fable 5 offers. And it's not just about the cost, it's also about the potential return on investment. With Fable 5, businesses and developers can automate tasks, generate new content, and even create entire new products and services.
So what does this mean for everyday users? How can they take advantage of Fable 5 capabilities?
Well, for one thing, Fable 5 is available through a simple API, which makes it easy for developers to integrate into their own applications. And for non-technical users, there are also chatbot interfaces and other tools that make it easy to access Fable 5 capabilities.
That's great to hear. And what about the potential risks and downsides of using Fable 5? We've seen before how AI models can be used for malicious purposes or how they can perpetuate biases and inaccuracies.
Those are all valid concerns, and it's true that Fable 5 is not immune to these risks. However, the team behind Fable 5 has taken steps to mitigate these risks, such as implementing safeguards and guidelines for responsible use.
I see. Well, it's clear that Fable 5 is a powerful tool with a lot of potential, but it's also important to approach it with caution and consider the potential risks and downsides.
Absolutely. And I think that's where the importance of education and awareness comes in. As users become more familiar with Fable 5 and its capabilities, they'll be better equipped to use it responsibly and effectively.
And that's a wrap for today's episode of Mia and the Machines. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the flip side. Until next time, stay curious and keep on learning. That's all for this episode of Mia and the Machines. If this made you think, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.